Hello, and welcome to my tutorial. Today, we are going to create a clothes hanger in Blender. So, let's get started. After opening Blender, we don't need the default cube, light, or camera. To delete them, press A to select everything, then press X and confirm the deletion. Now, let's take a look at our reference image. The hanger is 42 centimeters in size, so we will be working in centimeters. To set the correct units, go to Scene Properties, find the Units section, and change length from meters to centimeters. Then, set the unit scale to 0.01. Next, go to the Viewport Overlays panel and set the scale to 0.01 as well. Adding the reference image. To add our reference image, switch to the top view. You can do this by pressing Z for the blue axis or by pressing 7 on the numpad. Then, go to the Add menu, select Image, then choose Reference. Now, select your reference image, adding a plane for measurement. Now, open the Add menu, go to Mesh, and select Plane. Set its size to 42 centimeters, then press Enter. Since this plane is blocking our reference image, switch to wireframe mode by pressing Z and selecting wireframe. Double-click the reference image and rename it to Reference. Next, select the Scale tool from the toolbar and adjust the reference image size by dragging the blue dot until it matches the correct proportions. To prevent the reference image from being accidentally moved, go to the Restriction Toggles panel and click the lock icon. Now, open the Object Data properties of the reference image and reduce its opacity to make it less distracting. Since we only needed the plane to measure the size, we can delete it now. Creating the hanger shape. Adding a circle, open the Add menu, go to Mesh, and select Circle. Adjust its properties as needed. Move it using G, then scale it using S to match the reference image. Deleting half of the circle. Enter Edit mode, select half of the vertices, then press X and choose vertices to delete them. Duplicating and rotating. Select the remaining half, then open the Mesh menu and select Duplicate, or press Shift-D to create a copy. Rotate it using R and position it accordingly. Extending the Shape Use Extrude by pressing E to pull out the edges and form the hanger's frame. Connect vertices by pressing F to create a new edge. Adding bevel, select a vertex, then press Ctrl B to bevel. Press V and use the scroll wheel to add more subdivisions. Refining the shape, press Ctrl R to add edge loops and refine the curvature. Apply a Subdivision Surface modifier. Open the Modifiers menu and add Subdivision Surface. Set viewport levels and render to 1 for a smooth look. Converting to a curve now, open the Object menu, go to Convert, and select Curve. The shape will change slightly, but we can refine it further. Open the Object Data Properties, go to Geometry, then find the Bevel section and adjust the depth to add thickness to the hanger. Since we need to close the gaps, we must convert the curve back to a mesh. Open the Object menu, go to Convert, then select Mesh. Closing the gaps. Enter Edit Mode. Hold Alt and click on the open edge to select it. Press E to extrude, then press S to scale inward. Press Ctrl F and select Fill to close the hole. Repeat the same steps for the other open side. Smoothing and finishing. Apply a subdivision surface modifier. Open the Modifiers menu and add Subdivision Surface. Set viewport levels and render to 1 for a smooth look. Right-click and select Shade Smooth to enhance the appearance. Rename the object to Hanger by double-clicking it. Adding materials. Open the Shading tab, then create a new material. Set Metallic to 1 for a metal-like look. Adjust roughness as needed. Finalizing switch to Material Preview mode for a final look. Delete the reference image since we no longer need it. That's it. Our hanger is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.